Krishna went to his father's house and he came to Kurukshetra in the chariot. This is Ratha Yatra. And Radharani and the inhabitants of Vrindavan, their only business was, after Krishna departed from Vrindavan to Mathura, and he never returned. Once he returned. So Mother Jasoda, the cowherd boys and the gopis, they lost their life and vital force. So they are simply crying and weeping. That was their business. So Krishna sent sometimes Uddhava to pacify them. Then I am coming very soon after finishing my business. So when they got this opportunity that Krishna has come to Kurukshetra with his brother, sister, father, so let us go and see. So they went to Kurukshetra to see Krishna. Whenever they got some opportunity, they wanted to see. Just like this cowherd's boy, when there was battle of Kurukshetra near Delhi, Vrindavan is not far away from Delhi, it is about 90 miles. So they went to see Krishna in a charioteer fighting dress. They were astonished. They thought that Krishna is our friend, cowherd boy. How is that? He is in his chariot fighting. So they became astonished. So this is the pastimes of Vrindavan. So similarly, when the inhabitants of Vrindavan went to see Lord Krishna, Jagannath. Krishna means Jagannath. Jagat means this world. And Natha means master or proprietor. So Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhoktaram Jagatavasam Sarvalokamayatsaram. I am the proprietor of all the planets. Therefore he is Jagannath. Jagannath means the proprietor of all the world, all the planets. So the Vrindavan inhabitants went to see Krishna because their life was Krishna. They did not know anything except Krishna. So that was the opportunity. So it was the request of Radharani to Krishna, my dear Krishna, you are the same Krishna, I am the same Radharani. We are meeting, but we are not meeting in the same place. Here, you are just like a royal king with chariots, with soldiers, with your ministers, secretaries, and there in Vrindavan, you are a cowherd boy, and we used to meet in the jungles, in the bushes. So I want to take you there. Then I will be happy. So that sentiment was expressed by Lord Chaitanya because Lord Chaitanya's worship was in the mood of Radharani.